3,000 years ago, in the East, a lighthouse of wisdom rose, hidden, veiled, forbidden. They called it the source of truth, the origin of the Great Way. The Book of Changes, the I Ching. Upon 8 fundamental forces of nature, it built 64 hexagrams. Each one is a living model, revealing the laws of change, the constancy within it, and the simplicity that unites them. They say it sees heaven's design, but maybe it isn't prediction. It's understanding, seeing the pattern behind fate. And if we learn it, we can move from chance to choice. Now, back to the origin of the code. The decoding begins. To break the code, we return to the dawn of legend, an age of chaos, until one sage appeared, Fu Shi. He saw ultimate simplicity, the universe born from 2 primal forces, one to create, drive, and expand, the other to bear, gather, and form. They were not rivals, but partners, the rhythm of the universe itself. Fu Shi encoded this rhythm. He captured the essence of this shifting intersection and named it Yao, the code, recording the universe's pulse forever. Fire gives light and impulse. Yang, the solid line. Water carries and nourishes. Yin, the broken line. Yet they are one, inseparable. Without fire, no seed awakens. Without earth's moisture, nothing grows. Yin alone dies, Yang alone fades. Fu Shi saw the forces of yin and yang were never fixed. Like sunrise and sunset, they wax and wane in endless flow. The ultimate law behind the flow. At Yang's height, Yin is born. At Yin's depth, Yang returns. When things reach their limit, they turn. The way forever cycles. The yin-yang lines form the system's primal binary. 1 means motion, presence. 0 means stillness, absence. The I Ching is the ultimate algorithm on cosmic hardware, revealing the universe's patterns and laws. The answer lies in life itself. From a single seed's growth, Fu Shi saw the triad of creation: Earth's support, heaven's chance, and the human spirit at its core. These 3 are inseparable. Fu Shi defined them as the fundamental framework for understanding all things. The doctrine of the 3 forces: earth, human, and heaven. Yin and yang drive change. The 3 powers set the conditions: time, environment, and human will. From this, Fu Shi read the cosmos and derived 8 fundamental forces, primal patterns of all transformation, refined into 8 symbols, the 8 trigrams. Qian is heaven, the first trigram. Pure yang, vast, resolute, filling time, spirit, and space. The sun of all light, the source. Qian, creation. Kun is earth. Pure yin, gentle, yielding, wholly containing and bearing, the passive source that nourishes all things. Kun, with Qian, all creation is woven. Li is fire, a root in solid ground, a heart of open wisdom, a face of radiant light. As in nature, hollow wood draws the air that lets the fire live. So in ourselves, firm roots, an open heart, then we receive all things and shine. Li, illumination. Kan is water, a root in peril, a heart of steel, a face that yields. As in nature, it fits any vessel, yet its force can split stone. So in us, yield without, hold firm within, and face all danger unshaken. Kan, resolve. Zhen is thunder, a root in the riven earth, a heart of tremors radiating outward, a face of fearsome change. As layered thunder shakes the sky and all things tremble, the noble one learns reverence, examines the self, corrects the faults, and amid upheaval remains composed, even smiling. Zhen, reflection. Sun is wind, a gentle arrival, a resolute heart, a subtle transformation. The noble models this, teaching like the wind, trusted without words, commanding without anger, so the world aligns and follows. Sun, influence. Zhen is mountain, foundation below, a heart that knows enough, majesty above. It sets the horizon, the noble learns. Hold your ground, hold your post. Zhen, stillness. Dui is lake, a low basin below, fullness within, joy reflected above. As in nature, a sunken bed receives the streams, full waters make their own joy. So in us, humility and openness cultivate inner fullness, then harmony follows. Dewy, joy. With this, the array of 8 trigrams is complete. From here, a door opens, out of chaos, into an order we can understand, and even project and deduce. Before we move further, let's take a moment to revisit the 8 trigrams. Qian, heaven. The first trigram, creation. Dui, lake. The second trigram, joy. Li, fire. The third trigram, illumination. Zhen, thunder. The fourth trigram, awakening. Shun, wind. The fifth trigram, influence. Kan, water. The sixth trigram, resolve. Often rendered, the abyss, depths. Genesis, mountain. The seventh trigram, stillness. Kun, earth. The eighth trigram, the woven, receptivity. The Pre-Heaven Bagua flips our usual map. Top is south, bottom is north. Fu Shi set north at the base, taking the North Star as the cosmos's fixed axis. Remarkably, this cosmic model mirrors ancient China's terrain. Northwest, Zhen, mountain, high ranges. Southeast, Dui, lake, open to the seas. Proof of insight drawn from the earth itself. Its essence is the flow of energy. Left arc, yang rises, northeast to south, from sprout to peak. Right arc, yin gathers, southwest to north, from birth to fullness. Thus, a wisdom canon spanning 3 millennia completed its primal source code, what later ages called the Pre-Heaven Bagua. It was never a prophecy of fate, but Fu Shi's insight into nature's first principles. Not a gift from gods, but a cosmic code distilled by our ancestors through observation and reasoning. A guide for finding direction in change and making wise choices in chaos. The Book of Decisions, the I Ching. The I Ching mirrors our daily life. Life energy flows in two states: movement, reaching outward; stillness, restoring within. Feeling tired, anxious, or empty? Too much movement? Add stillness to your life. Feeling stagnant or dull? Too much stillness. Add movement to your life. No yin and yang. No one rises forever. Stillness, pauses, and detours prepares the next bloom. Wisdom is choosing well now, doing the work, and letting time decide. They called it a book of divination, but that was just the mask, forged in blood and fire, a death warrant, a king in chains. His revenge was to write a code to burn the old gods and crown a new empire. Next, into history's prison, decoding King One's hidden vengeance. Sealed for a millennium, the source code of power